Hi there, this is a new video. Welcome back to Amazing Gadgets channel. These gadgets and products are available on Amazon and Alibaba. If you need any product, just visit Amazon or Alibaba. So let's see these cool gadgets and hacks we've got in this video. This is the package. This is the first product. This is a juicer. This is another tool. We've got this one you can use for wipes, and this is a small box you can use for spoons, chopsticks, and other small items. We've got these items you can use for decorating your toilet. We've got these items you can use for your toilet. We've got this rack you can use for these dispensers. Let's see what's in this box. This one, you can use it for spices. We've got this plastic dispenser you can use for juice or lemonade. She's brushing her teeth. We've got these racks you can use for sandals. We've got this small trash bin you can use anywhere at home. It's really cool. This is an organizer you can use for small accessories. This is another apartment. This is the package. This is a triangle mop you can use for the corners. We've got these organizers you can use for spoons and chopsticks. We've got this hanger. This is another beautiful apartment. We've got this hanger you can use for your clothes. This is a cooker. We've got this one. This is a juicer. We've got this desk you can use for kids. All these tools and appliances are available on Amazon and Alibaba. If you want to order any tool, you just go to Amazon or Alibaba. This is a cooker. We've got this dispenser you can use for cereals. We've got another big package. Let's see the tools we've got here. This is an electric file you can use for your heels. And we've got this brush you can use for cleaning your sandals. This is an organizer you can use for your clothes. We've got these toilet bubble products. We've got this tool you can use for brushing off your clothes. This is a cooker you can use for cooking rice. We've got this cooker you can use for making noodles. This is another juicer you can use for making different types of juice. We've got this jewelry cleaner. This is a printer. This is a dispenser you can use for storing cereals. We've got this washing machine. It's really cool, you can use it anywhere at home. It's really convenient. We've got this tool you can use for compressing these plastic bags. It's really helpful, you can use it for saving space. This is another apartment. This is a washing machine you can use for your shoes. We've got this rack. This is a dispenser you can use for liquid soap. It's really cool. And this is an electric kettle. We've got another small washing machine. We've got this juice maker. This is another rice cooker. We've got this machine you can use for heating water.